Now let's get into Power Automate. So imagine this app has been built and now we want to go into Power Automate. And before we get into the demo side, keep in mind that the normal automation tools that are there in the market, they're not built for business users. Like myself, I don't know how to use automation tools. I don't know how to code. But majority of the automation needs live within the business, right? So what if I, as a business user, want to be able to create flows? So I come to this part which says describe it to design it, which is the latest feature we've launched within our Automate, and Vidas will be showcasing how this can get into the depths of it later in the demo. So here I'm going to say every time I receive an email from my boss, delete it. Okay. And I'm going to see if it is able to understand the context of what I'm saying. Voila. It didn't even take 5 seconds for it to understand that when an email arrives in my inbox, take my Office 365 user profile, get my manager's user profile based on where I am sitting in the organization. And if the condition is met true, delete this email. Now I can even say additional things to make this more complex, but literally building an automation from large language or describing what you have in your mind has never been there before. And this will be the game changer where, as a developer, as a pro coder, you can let AI do the simple things and you work on the complex parts of it, which is to connect the data to multiple systems, building those APIs, building those connections and defining those data models. That's where the heavy lifting comes. And that's where the developers have to have a show. But businesses can at least try and see what things can be done.